Alright, the AC unit works very well, such as airflow, the temperature is nice and cool. The only thing you hear is this noise coming from this side. If I put a little pressure there, it goes away. Take it off, the noise is back. The only thing that seems to fix it is by going through the modes. I'll show you even the fans. It's still there. Even on low, you can actually hear the noise better. And like I said, if I put just a little pressure, it's gone. The only way I found to get rid of it is by cycling through. And then it's fine again. And this is the same, and you can hear the airflow blowing out, which is really good. But if I gotta get up and go over here every time this goes into basically standby mode and then starts up again, it makes that same noise. And it's the same thing for both of them. I bought two of these at the same time, for one for each end of my house. So this is something that you might end up with.
Inverter technology, ultra quiet for medium rooms, air conditioner, full view with easy installation, energy efficient, fits walls between 4.5 inches and 13.75 inches thick, works great with Google and Alexa, and it has a remote. All of the insulation, remote, 2 batteries, AAAs. You get the batteries, insulation, easy to install, works with Wi-Fi, and Google, Alexa. Download the app.
Check out the cool AC we got for the window. It like leaves so much space in the window. It didn't have enough of this, so we're gonna have to get like go to Home Depot and get something like a filler, but it's about this thick because it wasn't enough for the width of our window. But pretty cool, comes with a remote and everything. There's the outside. And then it comes with a thing you could put in up here, like a screw. But we're just gonna put sticks. Nobody's gonna break into my house anyway.
What a piece of garbage. The thing is moldy. I only had it for 3 months over the summer. They're coming to fix it. They're gonna put 3 parts in there. Why not just give me a new one? I'm gonna complain after it's fixed. You gotta throw it out. smells like vinegar, horrible. The water pump was shooting water to the front. I would feel it. And then finally, this all black. Stay away from this unit.
Okay, so this is the sound from the outside. It's a little loud from the outside. On the inside, it's pretty quiet, but the condenser unit, you can kind of hear the water slap against the side of it. So just keep that in mind if you're going to put the backside somewhere where you might want to sit. It does, this is on full right now, so it's louder than when it's on quiet, but you could kind of expect something like that from the outside.
Alright, you were asking for my opinion. I went with the G Pro. This is 12,200 BTU. Window, it only took me roughly a little bit of like an hour or so to put in. But this is pretty much how loud it is. Shoots straight up. Auto fan, so it regulates its own temperature. You just set the temperature right there in the center. It also has Wi-Fi capability.